Hello everyone. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for tuning in. It's your girl Beloved and I'm back with a new recipe for the channel. Beloved Catering Service is a business where we make all kinds of cakes, butter cookies, shortbread cookies, coconut biscuits, sugar cookies, brownies, ring donuts, meat pies, samosas, spring rolls, and all kinds of fruit drinks and fruit juices, especially sobolo. We also make all local rice dishes and Ghanaian authentic dishes. We cater for all events and occasions and any form of gatherings. You can contact us with the information provided on your screen. In today's video, we are baking chocolate cupcakes topped with whipped cream frosting and chocolates. Ingredients for today's chocolate cupcakes include 1 cup of chocolate chips, half cup of vegetable oil, half tablespoon of baking soda, a quarter tablespoon of powdered salt, 1 tablespoon of instant coffee powder, 2 3/4 cups of white sugar, 1 cup of all-purpose flour, 2 room temperature eggs, 1 tablespoon of vanilla essence, 3 tablespoons of cocoa powder, half cup of hot boiling water, and half cup of food. Before that, I would be very happy if you could subscribe to my channel right now and then turn on your post and notification icon so that you get notified anytime I upload a new video onto the channel. And please share my videos with your friends and family. Please subscribe. Let's get started. Into the bowl containing the flour, add in the white sugar, the cocoa powder, the baking soda, the salt, and the instant coffee powder. After that, use a spatula to combine all these ingredients together and then set it aside. Now pour the chocolate chips into a glass bowl, add in the vegetable oil, and then place it into a microwave to melt the chocolate for about 2 seconds, best in 2 minutes. This means that after every 2 seconds, take it out and then check if it's melted. When it finally melts, pick a whisk and then whisk it together until you get a uniform mixture. Now pour the chocolate and oil mixture into a bigger bowl and then mix it for a few minutes. Add in the eggs one at a time and pour into it the milk and the vanilla essence. With the aid of a whisk, combine these ingredients together until a uniform mixture is formed. Now add in the hot water and use the whisk to combine it with the wet ingredients mix until a uniform mixture is made. After that, introduce into the wet ingredients mix the dry ingredients and then with the aid of the whisk, combine all the ingredients together until we obtain a beautiful chocolatey cake batter. After the mixing is done, remove the whisk and then set it aside with the cake batter. Now, pick up the baking sheet which will be used in baking the cupcakes and then fill each hole with the cupcake sheets. With the aid of the ice cream scooper, fill each cupcake sheet with the cupcake batter. Make sure that it is halfway filled so that when it's being baked, it does not overflow and cause a mess. Now give it a few taps here and there and then bake at 160 degrees Celsius for 30 minutes or until a toothpick comes out clean and there are no sticky particles on it. And the cupcakes are ready. Just look at how soft it is to the touch. It's very moist, chocolatey, and delicious. Remove them from the baking sheets and then place it onto a cooling rack to cool off for about 30 minutes. As I said earlier, it's very soft and moist to the touch and it's perfectly cooked as you can see. There are no particles on the toothpick. Let's move on to the frosting of the cupcakes. Today we are using already made whipped cream frosting, which I'll be sharing a recipe to very soon. And then to give it the chocolatey look we want, we'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. And then since it has already been flavored and sweetened, we just mix it together to form the chocolate whipped cream frosting. As the mixing of the cocoa powder with the whipped cream frosting is ongoing, ensure that there are no streaks of the cocoa powder in it. Make sure that everything is well combined and leave nothing out. And just like that, the chocolate whipped cream frosting is ready to be used for the piping. It's very soft, but not so soft to run down the cake. It's just perfect for today's use. Now set the chocolate whipped cream frosting aside and then pick up the piping bag and the piping tip we'll be using. Today we are using a 2D piping tip, which can also be used in piping rosette, swirls, and any other thing that you want to pipe on your cake. It gives a very nice look. Drop the piping tip into the piping bag, which has the tip already cut off, and then scoop the frosting into the piping bag. After scooping the frosting into the piping bag, pick up the cupcakes and then make the designs that you want on it. Today we are making simple round movements, which is swirls on the cake. We will do that for 6 cupcakes. There is no format to this actually. Just make round movements with your hands and the piping bag as you go. And this will create very beautiful and appealing designs on the cupcake. Trust me on that. If you don't get it too, you can watch the video being displayed to get more insights on it. This is my first time making an attempt with such a design, and it came out perfect because the frosting was not runny or super light. And this is the final look of the piped cupcakes. What do you think? Rate my design in the comment section. Today we are using a small bar of chocolate and a few chocolate chips, which will be mixed together. So pick up the bar of chocolate, remove it from its wrappings, and then use a grater to grate the chocolate into fine pieces, which will be used to decorate the cupcakes in a few minutes time. This is a very simple method. All you need is a grater and then the chocolates to make the chocolate flakes or chocolate shavings. To make the chocolate mix we'll be using in decorating the piped cupcakes, add in a few tablespoons of the chocolate chips and then mix it together with the aid of your hands. After mixing it together, sprinkle each chocolate cupcake with the chocolate shavings or chocolate mix. Ensure that each cupcake has chocolates on the frosting. And this is the final look of the chocolate cupcakes, piped with chocolate frosting and topped with chocolate mix or chocolate shavings. How does it look, guys? Rate my decoration and every other thing that you saw in today's video in the comment section. To store in your fridge, you can place it onto a tray or a plate and then store in your fridge for about 2 weeks. There is no need to cover it up, just place it in a safe somewhere that no food smell or anything can get into it. If you cover it, it's going to become very soft and might spoil in the end, although it's in the fridge. So you can leave it like that, and in the process it's going to chill and keep its shape and taste intact. To enjoy this deliciousness, remove it from the sheet that was used in baking it, and then you can bite into it or cut it into two, anything you prefer. But I gave it a slice in the middle to show you how it looks. This is the perfect chocolate cupcake recipe you can try out any day, anytime, and it's perfect. It's very soft, moist, and delicious to the touch, and with the frosting, it's a nice combo. Try this at home and let me know how it was in the comment section. And this is where today's video ends. Thank you so much for watching. Make it a point to watch our new videos this and every Thursday and Sunday for wholesome content and amazing recipes you can try with your friends and family. This new year, I'll be very glad if you could try any of our recipes and then give feedback on it in the comment section. Also, please subscribe to my channel, turn on your post and notification icon, and then share my videos with your friends and family. Let's all join hands and make this channel grow. Till we meet again, dear viewers. Bye bye.